for me. All right, we got raspberries. I'm sorry, we got blackberries. So we got to deal with blackberries because they spread with running roots and they invade the garden. So they have spread from the empty lot, the scrub area, all the way into the garden here, and there's some all the way up next to the garden there. So these are really, really thorny. First place that I'm going to start is back over here, and then I'm going to work all the way over to the edge over the next couple of days, and then I've got the old raised beds to take out the rest of the blackberries, take them out of this bed, and then we can start filling the bed with the leaves and stuff to get the garden started for next year. But the way I start this is I start by trimming this back, but I want to be able to see the blackberry plant where I'm digging it out, so I know what I'm digging. So I start with the nice pruner. Okay. What I don't want is that in my hair, because they are really nasty, and if they get in your hair, they're very hard to get out. And this is one of the few plants that I don't like handling with fingers. But I don't like gloves either. Colorful language. Work this just a little bit at a time. This is a scrub tree that I cut down last spring, and it's onto a stump. But this is what happens when you coppice. So this is actually a good coppicing tree. It's nice and flexible. You can make baskets out of that. But I'm going to cut it down because that is interfering with the garden. So, all right, I've got that trimmed back. Now we work on the shovel. Okay, you see where it's already putting out shoots for next year. Gotta go underneath, grab the root, There's one. Okay, now all of the blackberry is medicinal. So instead of throwing this away, I'm going to clean this up, scrub it up, and that bark is an astringent. So I'm going to dry that up, clean it up, dry it up, and make medicine out of it. And all right.